have spent the first 2 hours building this chassis. Again, it kind of took 2 hours for me to get here, and if you look at the manual, I'm at step number 7, and I haven't started step 8. And the reason why is, first of all, I got the wrong motor. I wanted to get the N30 motor, and looks like the seller sent in an N20 motor, which is annoying. This is the wrong size, wrong everything, so I'm waiting for an N30 500 RPM motor to come, and then I would assemble the drive. Secondly is I got this metal servo, and it's a Blue Arrow Digital Precision Ultra Micro servo. This motor unfortunately is the wrong size as well, so it doesn't fit with the pins. If you follow the instructions, it will not go in. So what I have to do to make it fit was to cut off the fins on one side, and when I cut this side off, it kind of sits nicely in the groove of the rail, so it kind of sits there, and the rail will kind of hold it snugly so it doesn't move. The other side I have to trim it a little bit so I can put 2 screws across, just to prevent the servo from sliding forward and backward. So far I think it should work, and I'm going to keep it this way. I might throw some glue on it if it starts moving around, but I think it is okay. A couple things to take note, right? I feel that on my copy at least, these thin bars here, there are some quality issues on the thread. So when I screw the nut in, I actually broke one off. So this kind of broke off. Not sure whether you can see it. So this broke off. The nut is on the other side, and it broke off the metal shaft. Luckily they did give spares, but there is a different direction for this shaft, right? There's a left and a right shaft, and they only give spares for one direction. There's one spare. Now if you broke 2 of the shafts in the same direction, you will be out of luck. That almost happened to me. Again, these models are absolutely tiny, so you need to be extremely careful with it. I've went to a point where I didn't even bother to screw some of this tight, right? So you can see that some of these are quite loose, but as long as the nut is holding it and preventing it from coming out, I am happy with that right now. Yeah, so it's not 100% on there. I would assume when I install the fenders, it would be strengthened. Very fragile, right? Very scary. I can't get mine to line up properly because I feel like the screws has some quality issues, or the nut has some quality issues, and I couldn't, screw them in properly. So these are the things that I would worry about when you start building yours. So I've screwed one side, all one side of this side. I've all tightened up the bolts, the screws on this side. I'm leaving this side a little bit loose right now because I want to fit in the drive later on when the motor arrives, and I'll proceed from there, I guess. Yeah, so very interesting build, very interesting build so far. Kind of enjoying it. but also am a little worried to see how it turns out. I hope everything turns out well. I hope the servo turns out well. Yep. So yeah, I think I might need to readjust the servo a little bit more, but other than that, looks really nice, really nice. I can't wait for this to finish. So far it is measuring approximately 20.5 centimeters long already. So the cab is turning out, the chassis itself is about 21 centimeters long. Very nice, very nice, enjoying it. Right, stay tuned for the next video where I continue the build. Thank you, bye.